Welcome to today's Tech Guide. In the first 20 seconds, we're diving into IPTV on Roku, starting with the best option at 2TV Store. Contact Nancy through the link in the description below. Are you wondering how to get IPTV on your Roku TV? This video will guide you step by step. From setup to channel exploration, we have everything you need to start streaming effectively. First, ensure your Roku is ready for IPTV. Setup involves a simple configuration process and access to a reliable provider. We recommend 2TV Store for an unrivaled service experience. Once set up, explore the diverse range of channels available. From sports to the latest movies, IPTV offers more options than traditional cable TV. Discover what you're passionate about. Remember, reliable customer service can make a difference. Contact Nancy at 2TV Store for additional support. Your viewing experience should be smooth and enjoyable without unnecessary hassle. To conclude, unlocking this world of IPTV on your Roku TV is easy and transformative. Enhance your binge-watching sessions and revolutionize home entertainment with just a few steps away.